Welcome back to the channel. Today's body cam encounter goes from calm to chaotic in under 2 minutes. One man, one camera, and suddenly officers start appearing like they're responding to a national emergency. The tone shifts fast. Confusion from the auditor, pressure from the police, and a whole lot of questionable authority in between. Stay locked in, because by the time the fourth unit arrives, you'll be asking the same question we are. How did filming cars turn into a full-blown police response?
So what do you want, officer?
Couple of people have phoned me.
Okay, what did they say?
Concerned that you're filming people's cars and stuff.
Sir?
That you're filming people's cars. What are you
Is that-
filming for? You obviously got a microphone, so
Okay, sir.
that's what you're doing.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, what
Exactly what you just said.
are you doing? Right.
Filming things.
Why is that?
What's it got to do with you?
It has, because people have phoned me up concerned.
Concern?
I have a duty.
Okay.
You're walking around making videos and people are obviously concerned.
Okay, in this country we can walk around and make videos.
You don't have to tell me that.
I do have to tell you that.
Why do you?
Because you don't seem like you're aware of that.
I am aware of
Especially
that.
if you showed up with dogs and stuff.
I'm not just in the area, mate. Stay there.
And then you're saying, you're asking,
Okay, then why are you looking at me up and down?
because you need to polish your shoes, I think.
I don't think that's any concern in you.
Of course it is my concern of you. You don't look
Listen,
presentable
I'm not
at all.
getting into an argument
I don't really
with you.
care.
I'm asking what you do.
I can walk off anytime I like.
You can.
Yeah.
Right here, you can already see the misunderstanding forming. The officer isn't accusing him of a crime, just repeating that people were concerned. But in UK law, concern alone doesn't equal suspicion. Anyone filming from a public street is doing something 100% legal. The auditor sticks to calm, simple answers, which is exactly what you want to do when officers start pushing vague questions.
So you're not going to tell me what to do, what to say, what not to say.
I'm asking you why you're here.
What's it got to do with you? That's my answer. Okay, carry on. You done? You're not done. I'm done.
Feel free, I can follow you, man.
You follow me? You're going to harass me?
No, I'm not going to harass you.
So what?
Notice this moment. The officer wants answers, but the auditor reminds him he's free to walk away anytime he wants. That's a power shift, and it matters. Police often expect compliance simply because they're in uniform. When someone asserts their rights clearly and respectfully, you can see the officer step back and reconsider how forceful they can be with
You
their
want to follow
questions.
me?
No, what you're doing and why are you filming me and what are you after? What are you after?
Another police car.
What are you after?
You guys are crazy.
You're live streaming.
Another police car. Oh, what's going on? What's going on, guys? For what?
Just explain to him that because it's concerned that he's filming people's cars and buildings and we've got concerns, so they've asked me to come and find out who you are. That's what it's
They
about.
ask you to do that?
Then he started telling me about the family boots.
Yeah, your boots are filthy, man.
Dog officer.
Another car. I can't believe this. 1, 2, 3, 4 units.
The escalation. Another police car pulls up, and then another, and suddenly the situation looks far more serious than it actually is. This is a common tactic called presence escalation. The more officers arrive, the more pressure the individual feels, even without detainment. But in reality, nothing illegal has happened. No reasonable suspicion. Just optics.
People have called the police.
For illegal activity?
No, to say they're concerned. People
Concerned?
phone us up.
Okay.
You're not giving me a chance to speak.
Officer, I'm concerned. Her shoes are dirty. Can you do something about it?
Really relevant to
I'm concerned.
I'm asking you what you're doing here. I'm going to start recording.
I am doing exactly what you just said. I'm filming.
Right, film me for what?
What's it got to do with you?
It's got everything to do with it.
What's that?
Because people are concerned, that's why a phone call's been made about you filming people's cars.
Yeah, but it's illegal activity, lady.
Sorry?
It's illegal activity.
What's illegal?
Legal.
This is where the communication breaks down completely. One officer says they need to find out who he is because people are concerned. Another implies there might be illegal activity. But neither can name a law he's breaking. This is why body cam audits matter, They expose how officers stretch thin justifications into prolonged encounters.
Yes,
Okay, see ya. I don't want to talk to you anymore until you polish them shoes. If you don't polish them, I'm not going to talk to you. No, have you got nothing better to do? You guys got nothing better to do. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars and a dog.
Listen, you're after confrontation. You're not.
Don't talk to me, man.
You're not going to get confrontation.
Do not talk to me. That's it. I'm done talking to you. I just need your shoulder number, 3629. And that's pretty much it. You're dismissed. All of you, dismissed. Oh, go home. Or go back to work or do whatever you want to do. Which police force are you in?
Police.
And which station are you from?
Arnold.
Arnold. You need to work out on your approach.
Large headquarters.
You need to work out on your approach, first of all. Polishing your shoes and act a little bit more professional next time. And there was absolutely no need to call all these officers. I mean, so far they're all being polite. They didn't say a word. There's no need to call them all for one person with a camera. It's ridiculous what you just done. I think you've called them all.
You're entitled to.
I hope you didn't tell them I was aggressive or anything like that. Well,
You're after confrontation.
I hope.
You're not going to get it.
That's why I'm.
That's what you're looking for. You're not going to get it.
Get what?
Here,
Yeah.
confrontation from me. I've told you why I'm here.
Why are you here?
I've told you already. I'm not going to keep.
And I've answered you. If somebody calls you for a legal activity, just tell them it's a legal activity.
Me to leave.
I use your shoes as an example to that officer as an example. I am disturbed the fact that you're wearing them shoes doesn't mean that officer's going to act on them. It's the same thing. Somebody's with a recording. Hang on a second. If somebody calls you and says,
This is a golden moment. When the auditor calls out the word concern, he highlights how it's used as a magic pass, an excuse to justify anything. Under UK law, officers need reasonable suspicion, not emotional discomfort. Filming cars doesn't meet that threshold. The auditor uses logic and humor to expose that gap, and the officers have no real comeback.
Talking to you.
hang on a second, do you realise everybody's looking at me right now? Everybody that's walked past, everybody, that woman was sitting over there. She thinks I'm probably some kind of a terrorist or something. What? Well, I'm assuming that's what they're thinking. I can't believe all you guys turned up for one camera. Are you guys mad? Are any of you... Are any of you armed? No. Man, that's mad. Sorry, what's your shoulder number? Yeah. That was mental. Disengage, exactly. Disengage and go back. That's it. Off you go. Disengage and off you go.
Watch how the dynamic flips. The auditor begins critiquing the officer's approach, professionalism, even their shoes, and suddenly the officers aren't leading the conversation anymore. This is psychological judo. By shifting the attention back onto them, he gains control of the interaction. And with multiple officers all standing around doing nothing, the scene turns from authority display to embarrassment.
Hey, work out on them shoes, yeah? Damn! I did not expect that. It's a little bit windy. I do have my dead cat on. I have no idea what the sound is like.
And there it is, a massive police response to a man with a camera, ending with no detainment, no crime, and no justification beyond vague concerns. This encounter is a perfect example of why public filming is important. It keeps police accountable and forces transparency when explanations fall apart. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, make sure to like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real-world audits, legal breakdowns, and body cam analysis. Your support keeps these investigations